From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the crude oil market, and as you can see, the WTI market has tested the $60 level before bouncing just a bit. Heading into the OPEC meeting this week, we are going to have some issues. Now, nonetheless, 60 being broken down below, or I should say the candlestick for the day, probably sends the market down to the $55 level, the 50-day EMA. Now, on the other hand, 65 above would be your resistance barrier. I think at this point we'll probably continue to see rallies sold into until we make some type of decision with the 65 handle. Megaphone pattern being formed. Not my favorite pattern, but it does tend to show exhaustion. Same thing over here in the Brent market, as we had gone straight up in the air, and now we're seeing a little bit of a fight. So that means that we could be running out of momentum. Break down below the bottom of the Tuesday session. 60 could be the target. After that, 67.5 could be sold into as well, depending on what OPEC says. But I think next couple of days are going to be more choppy behavior.